What up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayla, nice to meet you. If you've never been here before, you should totally hit that subscribe button and check out some of my other videos. I'm back in Florida. I didn't record any of the ride. I was really tired. My mom was sick and it was just a lot. I'm at my uncle's lake house right now. So today we're gonna go visit family. I'm so excited to bring you with me because this is the first time in like 3 years that me, my mom, and dad are all in Florida together. Family is everything. Let's go!
Drama
Italian. She gives you a hug, tell you
An edible arrangement for my lovely aunt.
How are you?
Well, Grace.
You got ice cream? Coffee?
Well, I'll go get some plates.
That's so pretty.
So beautiful.
He's 13 pounds and 2.5 ounces. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Look at the booty.
When did we go for a ride in the golf cart?
Anytime you want to, right now, if you want to
Yes, who's babysitting today? Hi. Do you see yourself? You do, don't you? Yes.
Drama
Say hi.
Italian.
she gives you a hug.
Yes.
The next day.
What are we doing?
Making breakfast.
We're making breakfast. Look at that water.
I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket.
Got the meat.
I traded my truth for some Robbins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah. I got the Glock in my Robin. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the.
Wanna make you feel beautiful. I know I tend to get so back with the baby.
17 shots, no 30. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering where she.
Right now, we're taking the dog to the dog park.
It's a first.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna see how she does around other dogs. Oh wow. She's thriving right now. There's no one here for her to play with.
I know.
Yeah, she's not that kind of dog.
Look, girl. He's a boy.
Wow.
Aw, look at dad and his dog. We're gonna walk back and see dad laying on his stomach pretending he's the dog.
Oh, that's so cute.
Guys, there's a freaking raccoon. Mom.
I was freaking out when you were yelling that there was a raccoon because I thought you were in the bathroom with me. And I'm like, looking in the bathroom, there's a raccoon. I'm like, anyone, don't scare him.
How's the dog park?
You don't want to know.
I heard you got in a little argument with someone.
You're the only guy that gets thrown out of the doggy park.
What'd you do?
We exchanged a few words.
The way you work it, no diggity. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it, and I got this soda.
We are going shopping! Okay, I get it. I've been really bad at recording. I just record the beginning and I never actually follow through and finish the rest of my video. I went shopping yesterday and I got this bag. I really like it. I'm gonna put my camera in it. And I got like my wallet, perfume. Today, Mom and I are going to Elevation Melbourne. It is in Melbourne, obviously, and they have a new location. So we're gonna check it out. How was church, Mother?
Fantastic.
Fantastic! So we know, okay, the Lord is moving us in the right direction, right, Ma?
Absolutely.
100%. We know he's gonna bring us where we need to be, right? I never even said that we're moving here. We're moving to Florida.
Really? You never said that to anybody?
No. Well, Mom, my YouTube. We're moving to Florida, so that's why we're here again. But we gotta have a church, you know. We need a place where Jesus is at.
He's here.
So, he's here. He's here.
Well, he's everywhere, but
yeah, he's everywhere. But like, you feel him. You really you got a connection here, right? There's a vibe. You know what I mean?
it's perfect.
It's perfect. The only problem is
Everything.
everything.
Jesus is lining it up for us.
He's putting the pieces together because like homegirl wants to dance and dances in Orlando, but like we're on Coco and that's in Melbourne, but like you know, everything's just a drive, you know. It's just a drive.
It's happening.
It's happening. You know what I mean?
We're waiting on Jesus.
Waiting on Jesus. We're on our way home right now. Mom, what do you see?
Oh my God! Right here, take a right, take a right.
Well, it's a dirt road. It's a private road. You can't go down there.
It don't say it's private.
It's a farm. You can't go down there.
Just go down.
There's a guy there in a truck.
And
So what?
we're tourists, Dad.
We're fucking up from New York. We don't see shit like that. Birds over there.
There's snow geese.
We're birds.
Oh my God, we gotta go in there and chase them.
Man,
You know how dope that picture would be?
there's snow geese.
What?
Look at them coming in. Look at them more coming in.
Holy cow.
No, you're not moving yet.
17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my Rari. 17 shots, no 38.